Piper music.
God, I know I'm blessed, but I've been through a lot of giving me doubts. Listen, I'm sitting down with memories called flashbacks. I can't believe it's so thick, it's choking, it's suffocating me. Now I can't even breathe. Imagine a life without a father. Daddy died when I was 7, I didn't bother. Thinking mommy would do great and have my back, then I turned thin. And life got my back, it wasn't easy. Me and my brothers and sisters, life wasn't easy. Hustling, grinding every day, I felt like cheesy. I took it easy, and then I prayed to my Lord every evening. I'm like, God, why you gotta act so cold? Every other kid got a brand new clothes, but then I'm all alone. I can't even cope, and wishing that my dad was home. And then I noticed that I miss him. I'm talking about my long gone dad. My life looked empty like an unborn child. Will I become lucky like Bieber or Drake? But then I gotta still sit and hustle and pray. I'm at a standstill, and problems fill my life like a landfill. Trouble spoken me like my Facebook page. Being the only boy, definition of a man. But I'ma stand still busy.
My bright light, 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 yeah.
Damn, growing up my life was tough. My baby mama, she the reason why I gave up joy. I used to sell crack, smoke weed on the block, and God knows the only thing I locked up on my mind. And I'ma picture you, picture me, picture right. Cause ain't no damn slow-mo pause rewind in this life. The camera keeps rolling, your life keeps changing. The next moment end up behind, but God change you. Wow, thank God for your life. And you can ask Michael Jackson about his life. His life was on the line, the next moment you had to die. But then what? Who am I to judge his life? Living in the project, it ain't easy. Sometimes you rise and fall just to make ends meet. The guns and goons and all make a life focus. Damn, life is so dramatic. Used to be me and you together all the time, and then we strive just to let our love hold its grounds. I gave you everything, the money and the cars. You always ask me, I never hesitate at all. The road to victory lies right in front of me. Who am I to ignore that and keep on hustling? I wanna live life like a prince, but my dreams got all shattered like the love blaze easy.
My bright light, my bright light, my bright light.